Hello. As I talked in the last video, I was going to make a video after my mid-semester exams, but I managed to squeeze in some time, so I'll be doing a very quick video. Sorry if there's some hurry or something. So as you heard, I managed to squeeze out some time for this video, and so I just thought, why not make a video on time management? And it's a very highly requested video on my channel and everywhere. Everyone wants to know the secret of people who manage to do a lot of time in a lot of things in a very short time. And fortunately, I consider myself to be one of those for reasons which you will know soon. One of the reasons why I managed to do so well till now is that I am very particular about my time. I make a very conscious effort to make sure that I do work very efficiently, and I manage to take out time for everything, academics and extracurriculars, making videos, talking to friends, talking to people, guiding people for exams, mentoring them, and taking out some time for many of my own hobbies as well. So how do I manage to do this? Well, first of all, I multitask, and there are two sides to this coin. Many people tend to waste a lot of time or not do things very efficiently while they multitask. So I'll be telling you about some tricks which I follow, which help me gain much more time than others who can. What makes me achieve that 25th hour in my life? So first thing is that I try to combine stuff. For example, currently I just had a tutorial in IIT Bombay. It was a course of probability and statistics. It's mainly an extension of what you study in class 12th in statistics. I guess it's in class 11th. So I just had a tutorial, and I have to do my dinner at around 9. So I just had a bit of time, around half an hour. So I just decided, why not make a video? So I just try to do things in such a way that they fix very, there are not many fragments in my schedule, right? Many people tend to have very short fragments of 15 minutes or 30 minutes in their daily life schedule. And what they do is that they just waste that time in random chit chat or doing some random work. I just thought, hey, I have 30 minutes, why not make a video? Okay, that's what I do, which differentiates me from others who are not able to manage their time well. If I get some 1 hour, I'll rather do a competitive programming question. Or if I were in class 11, 12, then I would solve maybe 15-20 questions of H.C. Verma or 5-6 questions of I.E. Rodo, something like that, right? You must be getting small chunks of time, right? Whether you are a child, you are a JEE aspirant, you are a college student, or you are an adult, you must be having some small chunks of time in your daily schedule. Just use them in something productive. Read a book, write an answer on Quora or blog, or make a video. This is what I do. Or spend some time with someone close to yourself. Talk to your parents, or just study if you are a student, or something productive. Like, do not waste these 30 minutes. Like, every person gets some 3 or 4 slots every day of 30 minutes or so, and they just tend to waste it in random stuff, scrolling down Facebook, using Instagram and whatnot. These are not really, there should be a fixed time for everything, right? Second thing, you should make standard operational procedures for everything. This is something which I learned from a very good mentor of mine. Make standard, you must have everything fixed in your schedule. I used to have a very random sleeping time and a very random waking time as well, and I fixed it now. And I see much more better productivity in myself. I am able to manage multiple stuff at the same time. I am maintaining a YouTube channel with it is about to reach 5,000 subscribers in a very short time, 1 week or 10 days maybe. I write answers on Quora. I am studying at IIT Bombay Computer Science. I maintain my academics. I play guitar. I have so many friends, and it becomes tough to manage time unless manage so many activities at the same time if you don't have a proper time management system in place. First of all, make a very fixed schedule of activities. If you are a JEE aspirant, then first of all, fix a good sleeping and waking up time. I wake up at 7 or 7:30 nowadays, and I go to sleep at 11:30 to 12:30, say, depending on how tired I am. I have fixed time for lunch. I have fixed time for meeting people. I usually meet people during the lunch, and I talk to my parents while traveling on cycle using my headphones. I don't know where I placed them. I was going to make a video using them, but I decided not to because they look too bulky and weird. I try to combine activities, like talk to parents while traveling, make videos when I get small chunks of time, write answer on Quora during those small chunks of time, play the guitar, read Harry Potter books. These are the hobbies which I pursue, so I try to do them in those times. And this is the only way you're going to find time for stuff apart from work and your normal life. You have to learn to, make some extra time out of your regular routine. That's how you will be able to do the other stuff. And I see many people wondering, like, this guy is doing so many things for myself and for many others. So this is how we do it. We just are a little bit conscious about our time. We are a little bit more worried about not wasting it, and we use it judiciously. Until and unless you make a very conscious and dedicated effort towards having a proper timetable and time management, you won't be able to achieve it. You have to be conscious about it. You can't just waste random time doing some random activity like scrolling down Facebook or whatever. No, just do something productive which adds value to your life. I'm not talking about studying or working here. I'm talking about anything which makes your life happier and you feel satisfied with it. Okay, scrolling down your social media feed won't really give you much. Watching motivational videos or something like this can really help you. So mainly I mentioned 3 or 4 important points about managing time for a JEE aspirant, a college student, an adult, or whosoever you are. You just first of all need to have a proper schedule. Write in a diary what you want to do in the next day, the activities and the goals you want to accomplish for the next day on a very neat place, and you have to follow it as well, right? You can just write it. Second thing is to have standard operational procedures for everything, as mentioned by a very good friend and mentor of mine. Third thing is that you have to be very conscious about your time. You just can't, if a friend says you that okay, hi, like pings you on Messenger or something, you have to learn to say no. Okay, this is my time. I will do this thing, and you should have some family time and friends time as well for sure. But that should be fixed. Okay, and you can. Yeah, I know that random stuff can happen. Like they can be urgent stuff, but it doesn't happen too much. Okay, you can really maybe fix 1 hour for that random stuff and make a plan for say 23 hours or 22 hours. But there should be a plan for the day. Okay, and another thing which I mentioned was that pretty much I think that sums it all. Like mentioning things in a paper, making a conscious effort, and having a good routine, wake up time, sleep time, eating time, and that's the only way you will be able to find a time for other activities as well. On the end note, I'll just say that this is a very important video in my point of view because I personally find that I'm very capable of managing my time, and I just wanted to share with you all how I do it. And do let me know if you have any suggestions or any other way by which you are able to manage time well for various activities. And that was pretty much it. Prioritize things well, and that's how you'll be successful in whatever endeavors you want to achieve. Thank you, and check out the description section for a few links to my blog where I have posted a bit about time management. Like I have made a pretty good and very systematic blog about managing time, and I know that this video was probably a bit very not very structured, but that was because I had to make it very quick. But I think I have conveyed all the important things which I wanted to, and you can refer to the link in the description section below. And do subscribe if you like the content of this video. And thank you. That was it. Good night as of now. Bye.